Hello everybody, this is S. Jaiprakash, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science Engineering, Hindustan Institute of Technology. Today we are going to see about structures in C programming. Structure are a way to group several related variables into one place. Each variable in the structure is known as member of the structure. Unlike an array, structure can contain many different data types such as integer, float, character, etc. This is the objective of structure. First one, data organization. In data organization, structure can help in complex data type into a single logic unit. This allows grouping variable of different types which represent real world entities like an employee or a student. Second one, code readability. Structures enhance the readability and maintainability of the code. They allow clear representation of data. Models make code easier to understand. Modularity. Structures promote modular programming by allowing related data to be packaged together. This can be useful in dividing a large program into smaller manageable components. Data abstraction. It refers to the practice of hiding the implementation of detail of a data structure while exposing only the necessary operations or behaviors that are required to interact with the data. After completing the structure, able to learn about outcome of studying structures. First, know the syntax of structure and the definition of structure. Then explain the purpose and use of structures in different fields. Students to demonstrate the ability to declare, initialize and user structures in C. Introduction. As we all know, array is a collection of elements of the same data type. Similarly, structure is a collection of elements with different data type. Now it's having look at structure declaration. Structures are declared using struct keyword. Whatever the declare a structure inside the curly brackets members of the structure. Now let us see the example. Using struct keyword followed by a person is structure. Here name is character and age is integer and p1 is structure variable. Then now right way of assigning values to the struct variable p1. To assign values to all the member of a structure can access using dot operator. Look at the example, we clearly access the member of a structure. The structure variable followed by the dot operator and structure member. Here definition of structure. Concept structure. A structure is a user-defined data type in C, allows the grouping of variable of different data types under a single name. This knowledge level is considered as remembering. Then declaration. Structures are declared using the struct keyword. It is level is applying. Structure initialization. Structure can be initialized when declared. Applying. Knowledge level. Syntax of structure. We using create the structure by using struct keyword. Name as structure name. It consists of two members, member 1 and member 2. It consists of different data types. It is knowledge level is remembering. Now let us see the structure. Now let us see about structures operations. Now discuss about different operations of structure and how the operations can be done on the values that are stored in the structure. That will understand. Accessing member. Now you can access the member of a structure using dot operator. For example, to access the name member of the employee1 structure, you would use emp1 dot name. And assigning the values. You can assign the values to the structure members individually. For example, to assign a value to the ID member of the emp2 structure, you would use emp2 dot ID equal to something else. Passing structures to functions. In C, structure can be passed into functions in three primary ways: by value, by reference, by address. Then each method has its pros and cons depending on how the data need to be handled and naming memory implications. Performing arithmetic operations. If you have a structure with a different type of members such as integer floats, you can perform arithmetic operation on the respective members. For example, if you have a structure representing a rectangle, you can perform arithmetic operation on the length and width members to compute the areas and the perimeter of a rectangle. Now let us see the example of structure. Here car is a structure. Member of the car, that means member of the structure is brand, model and year. Brand is character, model in character, year in integer. Now we using main function followed by the struct car1, BMW model brand, X5 model 1999 year. Something car 2, Ford Mustang 1969. In car 3, brand is Toyota, model is Corolla, year is 2011. Using printf statement, percentage of s, percentage of. We are using character brand model in character. So we are using format specifier as percentage of s, percentage of s. And third one, year is followed by integer. So we are using percentage t. It is a format specifier. Car1 dot brand. We are using the accessing members. Now we clearly about accessing a members. Car1 dot brand is a member. Car1 dot model is member. Car1 dot year is one of the member. That same printf percentage of s, percentage of s, percentage of d. We are using car2 dot member. It is brand. Car2 dot member. It is model. Car2 dot year. It is year. Then third one, same also like that, brand, model and year. Now let us see the real-time example of structures. First one, database system such as employee management, student management, bank account management. Graphics and game development. In graphics and game development, structures in C are widely used to represent complex entities like character, object, game, states, points and color, among others. Network packet handling. It contains various fields such as source and destination address, protocol information, data, link, and payload. Embedded systems. Peripherals in embedded system like UART, ADC, or times often require configuration data such as baud rate, data bits, stop bits. Healthcare management systems. In this system, structure holds a various piece of information about a patients, including their ID, name, age, gender, blood group, medical history, and current treatment. After studying structures in C, the following outcomes are typically achieved. First one, understanding complex data grouping. It is ability to group different types of data types, integer, char, float, into single unit. Applying structure operation. What are the operations to be applied in the accessing member and assigning the values? In practical application of structure, wherever the structure can be used in the real world applications. Let us now see about summary. Structures are fundamental for building organized, efficient, and maintainable code in C, providing a powerful tool for handling complex data. It is remembering, understanding, applying, analyzing, evaluating, and creating. In the remembering section, recall structure, syntax, and purpose. And then how to understand, explain the concept and the uses. And applying strategies, use structures in simple programs. Analyzing, comparing structures to other data type, then evaluate the efficient use of structures, and creating design advanced programs utilizing structures. Thank you.